Hi, and welcome to part uh, 4 of my advanced train tutorial, and today we'll be focusing on UI implementation. I'll also be adding few more keybinds, right? Just examples such as like a horn. Um, also be setting up keybinds for the doors, so setting keybinds for doors. Yeah, we'll also be implementing the UI with it. Okay, so I'll just go straight into the tutorial. Okay, so part 4. Creating the UI. So, we have the local control script here, right? And we have the screen GUI, right? Let's drag the screen GUI and let's put it in starter GUI. So rename it to train GUI, right? Let me add a frame in here. And I'll just create a simple interface. 0.5, 5, and yeah, that's good. So if I put this in here and I hop into the train, it should pop up when I sit in the train, and it should get deleted when I hop out of the train. What's this? Oh. See? It's a UI right there. So now that we have the train UI, let's add some more. Let's add the speed, for example. The speed. And you can obviously change the way everything looks. So I'll just add the speed here. Just add border size pixel, like 5. Just scale up the text. Make it bolder. And I'll just rename this to background. I'll just rename this to speed. And then I'll just duplicate this and I'll rename it to speed indicator. And have the text speed 0. So this will be our speed. I think Roblox measures speed by linear velocity by miles per hour, so I'll just do miles per hour right there. Also add, I'll just stick with this for now. And let me put it back into local control. Okay, so this is very simple. So we always want the train UI to be updating with the current speed. So we can just create a new variable. Let's do local run service equals game get service run service. So now let's do run service dot render stepped connect function. Let's add a task dot, no, we don't need to add a task dot wait. We want to get the train, so local train equals script dot train. Right, so this will be our train. We can obviously get the value, so we can do local base equals train dot value find first child base. No, actually I'll do a if train. I'll just check if train.value actually exists or not. so it won't end up giving us an error. So our base. Next, let's get our linear velocity. So local linear velocity equals base wait for child linear velocity. Okay, now we just need to get that linear velocity and apply it to our speed indicator, right? So this will just be a pretty simple video, just a UI. Hopefully it'll be short. So was it train no script dot train script dot train UI dot background dot speed indicator dot text, remember the dot text, equals linear velocity dot line velocity. Let's check it out now. Hopefully it works. Index nil with wait for child. Let's get rid of. Did I spell it correct? Let's run it again. Okay, I think it's because I'm referencing it wrong. Let me check the train. I think I should be able to fix this. Up in here, train, chassis. No, it's inside. It's inside player, I'm pretty sure. Player UI, train. Should be this. Oh, train.chassis, train.chassis. Okay, equals base equals train.value dot chassis. Yeah, dot chassis. Okay, it should work now. It should work now. Sorry for the confusion. You can see our speed is going forwards. So we gotta round that number. Let me make that direction forward because I don't want to keep on editing that. Forgot one other thing. Okay, let's round the number off. I think it's math.floor. Yeah. Equals math.floor. This. Okay. Let's test it out now. If it works, then I'll move on to the keybinds and stuff. See, it rounds off the number and it works. I'll get rid of this. So you'll have to see the default Roblox. So to get rid of that thing, you gotta go into here and heads up display and you untick it and it should work. I'll move on to keybinds. I'll just script a horn just so you guys know how it works. So I'll just go into audio and I'll get a horn. Train horn maybe. Oh, I'll just stick with the regular horn. Okay, yeah. Let's put this into driver's seat. Just call it horn. Our keybinds. Let's set up the keybind H. So enum.keycode.h equals H. Let's go into here. Or no. Let's go into main. And let's create a new function for H. H equals function if I'll just play a horn. So horn is script parent dot horn play, or I'll check if it is already playing or not. So if script dot parent dot horn not equals, or no, dot is playing equals false, then we can play it. Let's test it out now. So if you guys enjoyed these tutorials, subscribe. I've just been busy with school and stuff. Okay, let's check it out. You can see it is playing the horn every time I press H. And we have our UI here. You can obviously add more UI, etc. But I think that wraps up for today. It's been a short tutorial because, you know, we got our basis of a train done. Oh, let me actually make a direction. Direction. And let's do this. Direction forward. So now we can just check the direction. Let's just put this back here. Let's go into local control. If if train dot value dot chassis dot data dot direction dot value. Okay, yeah, I gotta ignore my messy code. This is a complete tutorial from scratch. That value equals 1. So if it equals 1, it's going forwards, right? So if it equals 1, then script dot train GUI dot background dot direction dot text equals direction forward. Let's do a else if. So else if this equals 0, direction forward, just make it go backward, and it should be working. Yeah, this is just a messy code, but you can optimize it however you like. I'm just creating this tutorial just from scratch. Doesn't seem to be working. Check output. Oh. Should be working. Train dot value dot chassis dot data dot direction dot value equals 1. Let me add a print just to debug this. Hopefully this will be fast. Yeah. So, you know, just been busy with life, honestly. School and everything. So I'll just try to keep up, but after finals maybe I can work on this more. Okay, so does it not? Oh, I forgot. It should work. It should work. It's just I have to stop first. Yeah, I have to stop. So yeah, okay, it works. It works. I just forgot you had to stop to switch direction. So it's on me, guys. I'm just dumb. So yeah, I guess this wraps up this tutorial. It's currently January 20th. I'll get this video out as soon as possible. Also, make sure to join the Discord server. It's just temporary till I make a new one or I just rename the current one. But if you need any help, just DM me. But please do not DM me a paragraph, or if you just want me to script the entire thing differently. If you want me to work on your game, it'd have to be, I can do that, but I'm not doing anything pro bono, so I am expected to get paid. But hopefully these tutorials will just have you lay out your basic game and everything. So yeah, next video will be adding a train model and animating doors. I do not look forward to that, mostly because train models, I gotta find a good one. So if you have a train model that you'd like me to configure for you, and obviously show it in a tutorial, just Discord server, DM me, and I'll just use your model. If not, I'll just find one. Toolbox, I'm pretty sure I can find one. Train model. I think I can use this one. But if you have a train model you'd like me to use, just DM me. So thank you for watching, subscribe or not, and hope you enjoy this series, I guess. See ya.